Welcome to Fingersprint. I'm Lily V, and this is part 2 in the series of tutorials showing you how to paint this northern forest landscape. In this video, I'll teach you how to finger paint the background stars. Thank you for joining me in how to paint background stars. For this tutorial, the acrylic colors you'll need are titanium white, yellow, green yellow, turquoise, and deep magenta. On this plate we have some water, some titanium white, and 3 different colors. We're going to start with the titanium white and just dab back and forth. Get a little mixture of water and paint on your fingers and flick it. You gotta flick straight down to get the little stars to show up. Go back as many times as you like. I like to have a lot of stars on my background. Now if you flick at an angle, it will misshape the stars. They won't be round. So you want to go straight down. Here's what I mean. Watch this. Oh yeah, nope, that's not good. So for stars, you do want to keep going straight down, and it's okay if you get some that you don't like the shape of. Since we have water and paint blended, it's really easy to just quickly wipe up with your fingers. Now, stars are not all the same color, so we're gonna go with some deep magenta, do the same exact thing. Tap back and forth in the water. If you have any stars that are too big or that you don't like the shape of, you can go back with a detail brush and just adjust them slightly. You can make them smaller. I'm using a very fine tip brush with the background color. We have a beautiful background and the stars are twinkling. Now we're ready for the next step. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked what you learned, hit subscribe. And remember, click the bell so you can be notified immediately every time I upload a new lesson.